A hydraulic accumulator is a device that can store energy by compressing a liquid. It typically consists of a closed container, a movable piston, and hydraulic oil. When compressed liquid enters the accumulator, the piston moves inward, increasing the pressure of the hydraulic oil. At this point, the accumulator has stored a certain amount of energy that can be released when needed. Its main function is to provide additional energy to hydraulic systems in situations where a large amount of energy needs to be released instantaneously. The history of hydraulic accumulators can be traced back to the late 19th century, when hydraulic springs were applied in the field of mechanical engineering, forming the early hydraulic accumulators. These accumulators were mainly used to improve the speed and efficiency of mechanical equipment, such as to enhance the efficiency and output power of steam engines. With the development of modern science and technology, the structure and working principle of hydraulic accumulators have been continuously innovated and improved. Modern hydraulic accumulators can not only store and release energy, but also balance the pressure of hydraulic systems and reduce the peak pressure fluctuations in the system, thus improving the stability and reliability of the system and providing important technical support for modern industrial production. Hydraulic energy storage devices can be classified into various types based on their structures and working principles. Common classifications include spring-type energy storage devices, which use springs to compress hydraulic oil and store energy. These devices have the advantages of simple structure and fast response speed, but their energy storage capacity is limited, making them unsuitable for large hydraulic systems. Gas pressure energy storage devices, which use compressed air to compress hydraulic oil and store energy. These devices have the advantages of high energy storage capacity and good stability, and are widely used in fields such as automotive brakes, vibrators, and construction machinery. Hydraulic gas pressure energy storage devices, which use both gas and liquid together as a hydraulic energy storage device. These devices have the advantages of fast response speed and large energy storage capacity, and are widely used in hydraulic systems. Hydraulic accumulator, which is a device that uses elastic elements to compress and store hydraulic oil energy. Hydraulic accumulators can be divided into different types based on the different materials and forms of the elastic elements, such as bladder type, diaphragm type, and helical spring type. These devices have the advantages of fast response speed and large energy storage capacity, and are widely used in fields such as engineering machinery, metallurgy, and mining. When purchasing hydraulic accumulators, you should try to choose well-known brands and high-quality products to ensure the performance and reliability of the product, such as Parker Hannifin, Bosch Rexroth, HYDAC, EPE, OLAER, AirTac, etc. Before installation. After purchase, please clean the installation environment first. Install it in a fixed position as much as possible. When installing the hydraulic accumulator, it is necessary to ensure the correct connection between the inlet and outlet of the accumulator and the inlet and outlet of the system. Before starting the system, you need to check whether the pressure and working conditions of the system are correct. It should be noted that contact with liquids and high-pressure systems should be avoided. When maintenance or replacement of components is required for the hydraulic system, the system power must be turned off, and the internal pressure of the system must be released to ensure safety.